Hi peeps, so Nyambura is my good friend and I love her cooking, and she made me samosas. So the first step to making samosas is of course preparing your dough, then oil your chapati like structure. I don't know what to use. After you oil, of course, pick one chapati and put it on top of the other and press together, then roll, continue rolling, and you put on your pan. Oopsie doopsie, I forgot to say one thing. Before you put on the pan, you're supposed to partition the the chapati into four, and then now that's when you put on the pan. What follows next ni kutengeneza mfuko ya samosa, which is just applying the glue that you make from the paste of mixing flour and water, and then applying it on the ends of the mfuko. So we are done with the hard part, which is making the pocket, and we go to the easier part, which you just need to put your minced meat. I forgot to say that at the beginning, that you need to have minced meat, and the kitunguu ya matawi, you just make your minced meat to your perfection. Use whatever spices you want, and then you kanga. Then after it's ready, you just take the mfuko ya samosa and insert those motherfuckers hapo ndani, and boom, you fry, of course deep frying, and you have sweet delicious samosas. You're welcome, and say thank you to Nyambura.